Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to adjust the font size in Poco phone. So friends, before I start this video, please don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. So you have to, first of all, you have to go to the setting here, then you have to scroll it down, then can you see it here, display, you have to press this one. After pressing, you have to come down, then can you see it here, font, so you have to press this font. Then you will get many options from here. Look, many options you will get, which you prefer to like it. You just need to press this one. After pressing, you will get it, you will get the font size. You will get it from here, text, the number which you are prepared to, set it. You will get many numbers. You will get it from here. Many fonts you will get it from here. Look, but I cannot download it because of the network. I don't have a network, so that's why I cannot load it all these things. So I just explain you. Just need to have a press which you like it. You just need to press it like this. Then when you press it, you will get it. So friends, you can adjust it like this. So friends, if you like this video, please don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.